Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys another awesome recipe. Today's recipe, we're making these absolutely delicious chicken quesadillas. The whole family guaranteed will love. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Also, give it a like if it was helpful. Without further ado, let me show you guys how it's done. To get started, we're using 3 chicken thighs. We're going to boil them. I'm using about a 1/4 cup of hot sauce. Yes, red hot sauce with 1.5 cup of water. Then we're going to pour that in there. And for the seasoning, I'm using garlic powder, ground black pepper, and onion powder. Let that boil for about 15 to 20 minutes or until your chicken is cooked through. Once your chicken is cooked through, we're going to remove it from the water and start shredding the chicken. The good thing about this recipe, you can make it with leftover chicken, any baked chicken will do, or you can even grill your chicken, then shred them. But I decided to boil mine. Now we're going to start shredding the chicken. And we're not using the skin, of course, just remove the skin and also the bones as well. Once you're done shredding all of your chicken, this is what they look like. If you like it to be nice and fine, you can go ahead and do that, but I leave a little bit of chunks of chicken in there. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese in there. Here I'm adding some French onion sour cream, about 4 tablespoons, or you can use regular sour cream. To season, I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and also salt to taste. Once you're done mixing your chicken, this is what you have. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oil onto this pizza pan here. Then we're going to add the tortilla on there. I'm using flour tortilla, about 8-inch wide, I believe. I'm going to place it here. Then add the chicken on there. Remember, the chicken has cheese already. Of course, you can add more cheese if you like. I'm adding the chicken on 1/2 of the tortilla. Next, we're going to spread it out just like that. I'm also adding a little bit more cheese. I'm using mozzarella mixed with Parmesan cheese. We're going to add it. I mostly add it on the front part of the chicken just so I can see the drip of the cheese coming out of it, because I already know the chicken has cheese in it. Now we're going to flip it over just like that, and we're going to do another one and place that one on the side so we can move on to the next one. Once I am done with both of my tortillas, I am going to place them in the oven for 15 minutes on 350. All right, this is what they looks like once they're done. We're going to place them in the oven. Now I am going to make some pico de gallo. All right, your girl love pico de gallo. So I'm using 1 lime. Squeeze that in a bowl just like that. Next, I am going to add half a tomato. Make sure you cut them or chop them fairly small. All right, here I'm using half an onion because I'm the only one who's going to eat this, so there's no need to make a bunch of them. And also I'm using some jalapeno to make it nice and spicy. And also don't forget the cilantro. To season it, I'm using ground black pepper and a little bit of salt, and boom, this is it. Now we're going to make some guacamole. Unfortunately, I didn't have the right avocado, but it worked. Okay, it works. So mash them down just like that, and I'm using some of my pico de gallo to just add in there. Mix that up, and here is your guacamole. Once the quesadillas are nice and ready, this is what they look like. Nice and cheesy and absolutely delicious. Try this out. Let me know what you guys think. If you try it, don't forget to come back to this video. Let me know how you like this recipe. Is it a yay or a nay? Or whatever, just leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tell your friend about this channel because you know we make some bomb recipe over here. All right, thank you for watching, guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Yum.